Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to speak about WhatsApp privacy policy updates. So what exactly the problem? What we have to do? Where it started, where it's going to end? So all these things I am going to discuss with you guys. So WhatsApp, the most famous messenger in the world, uh, across all countries, all the globe, the favorite app is WhatsApp. Okay, so 2016 Facebook has purchased WhatsApp for $19 billion. Okay, so that's a huge amount. So now that's where the Facebook is managing WhatsApp now. So usually what is happening in Facebook, the data, if you speak about the data in Facebook, what is happening, what are the data that you are searching, or what are the data that you are googling, or whatever you are doing. So based on your type of the data, that utilization, example, you are more into foodie, so you will type for food, where so you are more into shopping. So Facebook come to know after data analysis, by using AI, by using data science. So all these things, it will come to know, okay, if a particular person logged to Facebook, it will automatically come to know that he want this kind of data. From where it came? From your existing data, from your history of the data only. It has been analyzed you, this kind of person, and you are looking for this kind of data. So what going to happen? It will show that kind of ads only for you. For ads purpose, that will automatically attract you. This is what artificial intelligence is mainly involved, biggest area. So automatically you are going to attract, and then finally, out of 10, two may add, sorry, two may going to be particular, and they will add to cart, and they will order that. So finally they are going to benefit it. So this is where your data privacy data is using. Okay, and coming to WhatsApp, what is the issue? In 2000, from 2016 onwards, Facebook is handling WhatsApp. So they want to use the same way what you are doing in WhatsApp also. Example, WhatsApp payments also there now. So what kind of payment you are doing, how you are searching, what kind of messages are going from your end to other end to here, and what kind of groups you are looking, what kind of groups you are there, what kind of data, what kind of mechanism that you are forwarding, what kind of data you are forwarding, everything. So it is kind of what kind of status. So I want to speak about status also. Okay, so based on this, it will grab the data and it will analyze through a mechanism. Then it will come to know you are this kind of person and you want this kind of data. Then I can put some ads for you. That is where Facebook is going to be benefit. Okay, so for this the policy came. If you are accepting that policy, then only your WhatsApp is continuing. That's what initially planned by WhatsApp. So whoever is not accepted, for them February 8th is the deadline, so that it will get deactivated and you cannot use WhatsApp from there onwards. And this is what initially planned. So many people put against, why they are using my data as part of my WhatsApp, why they are using my data. So many people are against, and they told that no, if you want my data, then I'm not going to continue with you. I'm going to uninstall this one. I'm going to deactivate this. So I'm going to use either Telegram or Signal. Okay. So this is where again the rethought, WhatsApp management rethought, and they came up with a new policy. Boss, we are not taking your data. We are not submitting your data to Facebook. No, we are not doing that. So what they are telling, they are telling some points. So your personal messages which you are sending from A to B or person to person cannot be seen by WhatsApp. If you are calling to somebody, we cannot hear your calls. If you are in a group, we cannot see what is going in your group. And contacts, we cannot even read your contacts. Okay, so status, so we are not going to track what and read your status is. They clearly telling not this data. Okay, So we are not going to share with any person, and even we cannot read it. So there is no point of sharing the data. So this is what they told. Okay. So and they gave one more is, so to accept that privacy policy, whichever comes under Facebook, right? So you just accept this policy. If somebody don't want to accept that policy, it is going to stop, or you are not going to have the WhatsApp in your, even though you have WhatsApp, it's not going to work till, now they changed the deadline till May 15th. But my dear friends, what I'm going to guessing and telling, so till May 15th it will work. That's not a problem. After that also they are not going to do anything. That is for sure. Because India is a very biggest country, and it has huge number of users for the WhatsApp, which is equivalent to somewhere 20 countries minimum, which is equivalent to 20 minimum capacity or members of the country. I mean, whatever the population, which is equivalent to one India. So they don't want to lose our subscriptions for WhatsApp. So they are not going to use, I mean, they're not going to strict the policies of WhatsApp for your data privacy. So friends, there won't be any issue. You can simply use, and you can simply ignore it. Whatever it comes, you can simply use till May 15th. After that, just wait for their announcement what they are going to do. But as far as concerned, now they're not going to read anything from your privacy, that is from WhatsApp. So that's not a problem. So you guys don't worry about that now. So you can simply ignore and use WhatsApp. Okay guys, this is what I want to tell all about. So if you have still any doubts, please do questions in comment section. I will get the data for you, and I will do one more video if required. Thank you guys.